Igbo queen, Igbo queen, Igbo queen, Igbo kwezono. Guys, Igbo queen is basically when you're greeting a large number of people. When you're greeting a large number of people, you can't meet one person and say Igbo queen. You can anyways, but specifically when there's a large number of people seated, you just come and say Igbo queen, Igbo queen, Igbo queen, Igbo kwezono. So guys, welcome back to my channel. If you have not subscribed to this channel, I don't know what is your problem. I don't know what is it. I don't know if you don't like this face, or maybe what I'm doing you don't like it. Please subscribe. If you don't learn Igbo on this channel, I said it with my full chest. Take me anywhere, take me to any court, I'll go. I said it with my full chest. If you don't learn Igbo on this channel, me, I don't know where you learn Igbo again. I don't know. This is your channel to learn Igbo, and we don't judge. So just subscribe and listen to my video and watch me and speak Igbo. That's all. Simple as ABCD. Simple as ABCD. I said it. Simple as ABCD. Subscribe, turn on bell notifications so you'll be notified anytime I post a new video, and there you go, you start speaking Igbo just like that. In today's video, still on introduction, the last video, which I'll be leaving the picture here, I'm also going to leave the link down in the description or in the comment section. The first comment you see is the link of the previous video I did, how to explain yourself. That is essay about yourself as a student. Yes, essay about yourself as a student. You can watch that video, but in today's video we're going to be talking about essay about yourself as an adult. Yes, essay about yourself as an adult. You can mix in one or two things from the both sides, but it's still okay. I just feel dividing this video will get more explanation and more, depth into. So without further ado, let's dive in. Again, I'm going to be using fictions on this. Names, places I'm going to use here is just based on example. Reason being that you can replace yours into these places, into these names, just to make a full sentence. Yes, so we begin. Ka anyị bido. Ka anyị bido. We begin. Ka anyị bido. This essay will be covered in Central Igbo. Of course, Igbo language has so many dialects depending on the state or the area you're coming from, but basically the Central Igbo, everybody understands it. Everybody understands Central Igbo. Do you understand? So basically some places I might use R or L, that is dialect differentiation, but it all means the same thing. But for the sake of this video, I'm going to be using Central Igbo, which we call Igbo Nzube. Igbo Nzube. Igbo Nzube. Igbo Nzube means Central Igbo. My name is Nkiruka. We have started. Yes. Let's say about yourself as an adult. You start with your name. My name is Nkiruka. Aham bu Nkiruka. Aham bu Nkiruka. Aham bu Nkiruka. My name is Nkiruka. I am from Enugu State. I am from Enugu State. Abum onye Enugu State. Abum onye Enugu State. Abum onye Enugu State. Abum onye Enugu State. I was born in Enugu. Amụrụ m na Enugu. Amụrụ m na Enugu. Mana etoro m na Ọka. Amụrụ m na Enugu. Mana etoro m na Ọka. I was born in Enugu, but I grew up in Ọka. Amụrụ m na Enugu. mana etoro m na Ọka. Ugbu a, now. Ugbu a, now, that's right now. Ugbu a, ebi m na London, United Kingdom. Now, I live in London, United Kingdom. Ugbu a, ebi m na London, United Kingdom. Ugbu a, ebi m na London, United Kingdom. I am an attorney. I am an attorney. Abụ m onye ọkaikpe. I'm a cook. Abụ m onye na-esi nri. I am a cook. Abụ m onye na-esi nri. I am a cook in London. Abụ m onye na-esi nri na London. That is a profession. Ihe ị na-arụ. Profession pụtara n'Igbo ihe ị na-arụ. Abụ m onye na-esi nri na London. I'm a cook in London. Ụbọchị ọmụmụ m bụ na abalị nke atọ. Abalị nke atọ n'ime ọnwa nke abụọ n'afọ 1996. Ụbọchị ọmụmụ m bụ n'abalị nke atọ n'ime ọnwa nke abụọ n'afọ 1996. Means I was born on the 2nd. I was born on the 3rd. Abalị nke atọ. It means I was born on the 3rd of February 1996. Ọnwa nke abụọ is February. Ọnwa nke izizi is January. Ọnwa nke abụọ February. Ọnwa nke atọ March, and it goes. I have a fiancé. Enwere m onye m chọrọ ịlụ. I have a fiancé. Enwere m onye m chọrọ ịlụ. I have a fiancé. Enwere m onye m chọrọ ịlụ. Her name is Ngozi. Aha ya bụ Ngozi. Aha ya bụ Ngozi. Aha ya bụ Ngozi. Aha ya bụ Ngozi. Her name is Ngozi. We speak Igbo fluently. Anyị na-abụ na-asụ Igbo ọfụma. Anyị na-abụ na-asụ Igbo ọfụma. Mana Igbo nke anyị ma asụ ọfụma bụ Igbo nzugbe. Igbo nke anyị ma asụ ọfụma bụ Igbo nke nzugbe. Means we both speak Igbo fluently, but we know how to speak more the Central Igbo. Ngozi amaghị asụ asụsụ ebe nke m si n'Enugu steeti. Ngozi amaghị asụ asụsụ ebe nke m si na Enugu steeti. Ngozi does not know how to speak my dialect very well where I am from in Enugu state. But Ngozi knows how to speak Central Igbo. But Ngozi does not know how to speak my dialect where I am from in Enugu state. Ngozi amaghị asụ asụsụ nke ebe m si ọfụma. Mana ọ na-aghọta obele. But she understands a little. Mana ọ na-aghọta obele. But she understands a little. We met in university. We met in college, whichever one you want to use. We met in college. Anyị zuru na mahadum. Anyị zuru na mahadum. We met in college. Anyị zuru na mahadum. Ngozi bụ dọkịta oyibo. Ngozi is a medical doctor. Ngozi bụ dọkịta oyibo. Ngozi is a medical doctor. Medical doctor is dọkịta oyibo. Medical doctor is dọkịta oyibo. Ngozi bụ dọkịta oyibo. Ngozi is a medical doctor. Ọ na-eleta ụmụazị. Ngozi is a pediatrician. Ọ na-eleta ụmụazị. Ngozi is a pediatrician. Ngozi hụrụ ụmụaka n'anya nke ukwuu. Ngozi loves children a lot. Ngozi hụrụ ụmụaka, ụmụaka, they all the same thing. You can say ụmụaka, you can say ụmụazị. Ngozi hụrụ ụmụazị n'anya nke ukwuu. Ngozi loves children a lot. N'ihi ya mere o ji bụrụ dọkịta na-eleta ụmụazị. N'ihi ya mere o jiri bụrụ dọkịta na-eleta ụmụazị. That is the reason. N'ihi, that is the reason Ngozi became a medical doctor, pediatrician in quotes. That is the reason Ngozi became a pediatrician. Maka na Ngozi hụrụ ụmụazị n'anya nke ukwuu. Take a deep breath. Take a deep breath. It's not that difficult. Take a deep breath. It's not that difficult. Do you see the reason why I separated this video? Do you see the reason why I made the essay for as a student and this as an adult? Because adults, you have to explain yourself more, from saying who your name is, where you're from, when you were born. You go further to say you have a fiance, where your fiance is from. You know, it's a little bit in depth, and that is why the both video couldn't be done at the same time. So guys, this is we've come to the end of this video. Anyị abịago na ngwụcha ihe ọmụmụ nke tata. We have come to the end of today's lesson. Anyị abịago na ngwụcha n'ihe ọmụmụ nke tata. Anyị abịago na ngwụcha n'ihe ọmụmụ nke tata. We have come to the end of today's lesson. Hope you enjoyed it. I was able to carry you guys along, which is my aim on this channel. Please put down in the comment section what you're hearing for the first time in this video. I would like to see down in the comment section. And please, if you have not subscribed to this channel, please try to do so. Subscription is free. Costs nothing. Okay, unless what I'm doing you don't like it, but I know you do. I'm very sure you do. So please subscribe, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Komesia. Ka omesia. I'll see you guys later. Ka omesia. I'll see you guys later.